Hey, hey, hey. If you're thinking about going lithium, watch this. Hey, 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 man, with 29 years of experience, 50,000 golf carts fixed. Let me say this. Y'all know as well as I do, you've been watching my page, or if you're a newcomer, for $45, you can call me and I'll troubleshoot your golf cart over the phone. Well, one of the most common questions I get asked, calls about lithium conversions. And let me say this now. If you pick your seat up, look at your golf cart batteries. Each hole is 2 volts. So if you got 3 holes in each battery, you more than likely have 36 volts, unless you have 8 batteries. And then if you have 4 holes in each battery, you have 48 volts more than likely. But just count your holes. Each hole's 2 volts, like that. You cannot put a 48 volt battery in a 36 volt cart. And yes, the solenoid will click because it takes anything over 30 volts to engage the solenoid. Sometimes about 27. But when you go to 48 volts, the solenoid will click. The controller will not operate. So therefore, you would think something's wrong with the golf cart, and it's not. All it is just high voltage. So the main thing is, if you got a 36 volt cart, put you a 38.4 volt battery in it. Go to my Amazon link, get you a DC house, or if you want a Como Energy, send me a message, let me know, and I'll reach out to you. Como Energy comes with an 8-year warranty, and the warranty is transferable to somebody if you sell the cart to, which is actually a great selling point. The only battery on the market that offers that right now. I don't see why they all don't, because at the end of the day, you give a 10-year warranty. Why don't you give the warranty when you sell the car? Are you doubting the battery that you're building? That's what I wonder. Is the battery that bad? That's why they're hoping you sell it. They know the average person keeps the golf cart 3 to 4 years and sells it, so that it lets them get out the warranty stuff. That's why I go with the Como Energy, man. 8-year warranty, fully transferable, 30 to 40 miles to a charge. They got the E-Max, which is 50 to 70 miles. They got anything you want, man. If you need something, reach out to me. But remember, if you got a 36 volt cart, 36 volt battery, lithium. If you got a 48 volt, you go to 51.2. All right, man, I just want to tell y'all that, man. I've been getting a lot of calls about it, man. And some of the places you buy the batteries from, you got to pay for shipping the battery back. Shipping the battery back is about $400 to $600. So that's a pretty expensive mistake, man. So I'm hoping y'all watch this before you go lithium. If you know somebody that's considering going lithium, send this video to them. Main thing, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button in case you need me again, man. You won't have to find me. I'll be right on your homepage. But all right, man, the main thing is, if you watch a video, man, watch it to the end. That's what YouTube cares about, is retention. Hey, hey, hey.